Hey everyone, today we'll be diving into an extensive and in-depth guide on mastering Windows. Whether you are a newcomer to the world of computing or an experienced user looking to harness the full potential of your Windows operating system, you have come to the right place. We will be embarking on a journey through the intricate labyrinth of Windows customization, hidden features, and productivity enhancements. You see, Windows, with its rich history dating back to the 1980s, has evolved into a robust and versatile operating system. It powers countless devices worldwide, from traditional desktops and laptops to tablets, two-in-one hybrids, and even futuristic devices we can hardly imagine. With all these advancements, there is an incredible wealth of features and functionalities waiting to be unlocked. That is precisely what we will delve into today. So, let us get started. Tip number 14: Personalizing Windows. Personalizing your Windows environment is an exciting journey that allows you to transform your computer into a unique digital space that reflects your individuality and style. This process involves several steps, each contributing to the creation of a desktop environment that is truly your own. Let us dive into these steps in more detail. Step number 1: Changing desktop background. We kick things off with the exciting task of changing your desktop background. It is like choosing the perfect wallpaper for your room, but in the digital realm. To begin, right-click on your desktop and select Personalize. Once you have done that, a world of options open up before you. You can choose from a wide array of backgrounds provided by Windows. Or, if you are feeling creative, you can use your own pictures to customize your desktop's look and feel. The choices are virtually endless, and you have the freedom to make your desktop truly unique. You can even explore various display options such as fill, title, fit, stretch, center, or span to decide exactly how the image is displayed, ensuring it fits your aesthetic vision perfectly. Step number 2: Customizing system colors. Moving on to the next step, we explore the colors section in the personalization settings. Here, you can do more than just choose between light and dark modes. You have the power to create your very own custom color scheme, fine-tuned to match your precise preferences. By tweaking the system colors, you can make a subtle yet impactful adjustment that significantly enhances your Windows experience. It is like selecting the perfect paint for your room's walls. The right colors can set the tone for your digital space and make it feel uniquely yours. Step number 3: Exploring themes and fonts. Windows goes even farther in offering a treasure trove of themes, fonts, and sound options for you to explore and experiment with. Think of this step as the icing of the cake. You can play around with different combinations to find a look that not only suits your style, but also reflects your personality. Whether you prefer a minimalist, sleek appearance, or a vibrant, dynamic one, Windows has the tools to make it happen. And once you have achieved the perfect combination, don't forget to save your custom theme for easy access in the future. It is like designing your dream room and being able to recreate the exact ambience at the click of a button every time you sit down to your computer. Tip number 15: Taking screenshots. Capturing screenshots is an essential skill in the digital age. Whether you need to save important information, share your screen with others, or simply want to preserve a memorable moment, let us explore a couple of effective methods to achieve this. Step number 1: Using Snipping Tool. The snipping tool is a versatile built-in feature that allows you to take screenshots with precision and ease. To access it, simply go to the search bar and type Snipping Tool, click it, and it will open up a world of screenshot possibilities. With the snipping tool, you can capture specific areas of your screen, which is perfect when you need to focus on a particular region. You can then copy the screenshot directly to your clipboard for quick sharing or saving. This tool is like having a virtual pair of scissors to cut out exactly what you need from your screen. Step number 2: Snip and Sketch Tool. For those who are using Windows 10, there is another excellent option at your disposal: namely the Snip and Sketch tool, which you can quickly access by pressing Windows key plus Shift plus S. This tool offers a variety of screenshot options, making it a powerful alternative to the snipping tool. With Snip and Sketch, you can take full-screen screenshots or focus on specific areas, annotate your screenshots with helpful notes, and even save them in various formats. It is like having an entire artist toolkit for capturing and enhancing your screen content. Tip number 16. Creating keyboard shortcuts. Creating custom keyboard shortcuts is a powerful way to turbocharge your workflow, making your computer experience more efficient and tailored to your needs. Let us delve deeper into how you can accomplish this. Step number 1. Creating shortcuts for apps. One of the most significant advantages of custom keyboard shortcuts is the ability to launch your frequently used apps with lightning speed. To set this up, simply right-click on the application icon you want to create a shortcut for, typically found on your desktop. Then, select Properties. Inside the Properties dialog box, navigate to the Shortcut tab. Here, you can define a custom shortcut key combination that will trigger the app's launch. For instance, you could choose Ctrl plus Alt plus your key as your preferred combination. By personalizing these shortcuts, you can eliminate the need to search or navigate through your application, saving valuable time and streamlining your daily task. Step number 2. Customizing shortcuts. While customizing shortcuts can greatly boost your productivity, it is important to exercise caution and consider potential conflicts. Windows already uses certain key combinations for system functions, so be mindful not to overlap with these standard shortcuts. To avoid issues, try to create unique combinations that are both easy to remember and not already in use by other applications. This way, you can ensure that your custom keyboard shortcuts work smoothly without unintended consequences. Think of it as crafting your own secret language to communicate with your computer, making your interactions more efficient and tailored to your preferences. Incorporating custom keyboard shortcuts into your workflow is like having a secret code to unlock the full potential of your computer. It empowers you to access your favorite applications with a simple key press, making your digital life more convenient and personalized. So, go ahead and start creating your custom shortcuts to supercharge your productivity. Tip number 17. Using clipboard history. Clipboard history is a remarkable and time-saving feature in the Windows operating system that enhances your ability to manage and reuse copied content. Let us delve deeper into how you can harness this power. Step number 1. Enabling clipboard history. Enabling clipboard history is a breeze and can be a game changer for your productivity. All it takes is a simple key combination, Windows key plus V. When you press this combination, it magically opens up the clipboard history, revealing a treasure trove of your recently copied items. The beauty of this feature is that it allows you to paste multiple items without overwriting the previous ones. It is like having a digital clipboard that can store and recall everything you have copied, making it incredibly useful when you need to copy and paste multiple items in quick succession. This feature is a true multitasking marvel, as it enables you to effortlessly juggle between various pieces of information without the hassle of switching back and forth between applications or documents. With clipboard history, you can seamlessly copy text, images, links, and more, then paste them whenever you need them, all with the convenience of a simple keyboard shortcut. So, take full advantage of this powerful feature and let clipboard history become your trusty sidekick in handling all your copy and paste needs. It is a time-saving tool that can streamline your workflow and make your digital life a whole lot easier. Tip number 18. Changing default programs. Customizing default programs for specific file types and protocols is a fundamental aspect of tailoring your Windows experience to your preferences. Here is an in-depth look at how you can achieve this. Step number 1. Changing default apps. Your Windows experience becomes truly your own when you have control over the default programs that handle various actions and file types. Start by navigating to Settings, then click on Apps and select Default Apps. This is your gateway to customizing your computer's behavior. From this menu, you can change your default web browser, email client, and other default programs, giving you the power to choose how your computer handles different file types and actions. Whether you prefer to open web links with a particular browser, handle email with your favorite client, or interact with specific file types using specialized software, this step puts you in the driver's seat. Step number 2. Customizing file associations. If you are seeking even more precise control over your computing environment, scroll to the bottom of the default apps section. Here, you can fine-tune file associations for various file extensions and protocols. This level of customization enables you to specify which applications should open when you access specific file types or protocols. For instance, if you have a preference for a particular image viewer, text editor, or media player, you can assign it to open associated file types by default. This level of granular control not only enhances your productivity, but also ensures that your digital experience is optimized to your liking. Incorporating these steps into your Windows experience is akin to crafting a custom-made suit that fits you perfectly. You can ensure that your favorite applications are at the forefront, ready to handle the tasks they excel at. Customizing default programs and file associations is an essential way to make your computer truly your own, and it empowers you to work and interact with your digital world in a manner that suits your individual needs and preferences. That is for today. If you found this concept interesting, be sure to keep an eye out our upcoming video, in which I will share additional tips and tricks to enhance your productivity with Windows 10. If you are interested in staying updated on Windows 10 related content, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I would love to see you in our next video.